Ansible tutorial videos. DevOps online training is designed to help you master key tools of DevOps lifecycle like Docker, Puppet, Jenkins, Nagios, Git, Ansible, SaltStack, and Chef used by a DevOps engineer for automating multiple steps in SDLC. This tutorial will walk you through setting up Ansible DevOps tool on AWS EC2 servers running Red Hat Linux. The guide will cover configuring Ansible on AWS EC2 servers after the Ansible download. What will I learn? 1. Understand the concepts and necessities of DevOps. 2. Understand the need for DevOps and the day-to-day real-life problems it resolves. 3. Learn installation and configuration of common infrastructure servers like Apache and Nginx for the enterprise. 4. Learn popular DevOps tools like Jenkins, Puppet, Chef, Ansible, SaltStack, Nagios, and Git. 5. Implement automated system updates, installations, and deployments. 6. Learn virtualization concepts. 7. Configuration deployment and packaging, continuous integration using Git. 8. Fine-tune performance and set up basic security for infrastructure.